Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I legitimately have no idea what's in this box. It was sent by Heath. Thank you very much, Heath. If it's something that you can buy right now, I will link it right down in my description. It really does help the channel when you guys use my links. So whatever it is you're looking for, use my links if you wouldn't mind. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, what could we have in this box that has been thoroughly... The actual shipping information is on the other side. It looks like he reused a box that had old shipping info on. Why am I doing it this way? Why am I making it as complicated as possible? Because I really don't want to cut into the contents of the box, which has happened before. Okay, let's see here. We have, this is just a newspaper. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So you guys know that I've been using this, right? This is the dedicated unboxing tool. And this was made by a gentleman named Keith, who I mistakenly called Heath just a second ago. I should have known. This is an old F-150 truck spring that he sharpened into a scalpel. This has been kind of a long-running joke on this channel. Like, why does this guy use a sharpened spoon when he's got a whole bunch of nice knives, right? And the more people commented, the more I thought, yeah, I'm just going to keep using it because it's funny, right? People started to get frustrated, like, you never sharpen it. I'm so frustrated that you use it, right? So the time came to, retire the scalpel and introduce the new... Oh my, what is this, Keith? Oh my God. You know what? It'll work though. Look at this, huh? Here, let's freaking try it out on some ball. Look at this. You hold it here. This is freaking crazy. And you got, yeah. Oh man, the frustration and confusion for the next. How long did this one go? How long did this one go? Like 2 to 3 years? Oh man, this is freaking hilarious. I love this. Yeah, so this is the new dedicated unboxing tool. I'm sure much to the joy of many, but much to the frustration of so many more. Oh, especially new people. I'm sorry, the joke is just, it's even funnier now. So this guy will actually be given away. I think I mentioned that a while back, that if I ever did retire this, I would give it away. Perhaps for as part of my 100,000 subscriber celebration. I think maybe that would be a pretty cool prize. Or, somebody might like it. I'm sure some people would go, why? I don't want, But, yeah, this is pretty killer. Oh my God, I've never ever seen anything like this. But you know what? Keith, this will work, man. Like, holding it like this, I can actually, it's such an unorthodox thing with a blade on it. Does it fit in my... Keith, I need a new, this'll work. This'll work. He also made this. And yeah, I think I can just hang that, and then I just, just draw it from the wooden sheath right there. Oh my gosh. He told me it was going to be weird. When you said that, I was like, what do you mean? Like, this, it's already weird. Like, what? I imagine bending it was the weird part, maybe. I will say his edge is much better. This is very clean, and it's quite a bit, I think it's actually, it's about the same taper, right? He's gotten a lot better at his, it's a chisel grind. That's why it feels so much sharper. Let's see if I can How do I perform a cut test with this? Sorry, we're shaking the camera all over the place. Still shaking it because of the shape of the. Oh yeah, it'll slice now. Yeah, the other one. Yeah, that's pretty good. Hey, not too bad for a bent railroad tie, right? Oh, this is wonderful. You've made me so happy. This is so weird. Oh man, this is the best. Best thing ever! Best thing ever! I wish I could link this below, but I can't because it's one of a kind. The man, the myth, the legend, I'm sure he'll be down in the comments section where you can give him a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Keith, for doing this. Very kind of you to go out of your way to make something. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. If you're new, I'm sure that was weird and confusing. Welcome to my channel. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives. They're either expensive or inexpensive that I do not like, so check those out. If you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day. Have a great day is what the words I try to make out of my face hole. Just bye.